Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears. Today I am drawing the world of numbers. Let's draw together. We need yellow color, blue color, crimson color, orange color, green color. Let's start. First I am drawing the number 1.
Woo!
Please subscribe.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock away she flew.
Then I am drawing the number 2.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3.
Now I am drawing the number 3.
Woo! Tick tock, hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock.
I am drawing the number 4.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
And finally I am drawing the number 5.
Woo! The clock struck 5. She went to her high. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Woo!
Green color.
Woo! The clock struck 6. Oh, little 6.
Blue color.
Woo! Tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
I am coloring eyes.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down.
Yellow color.
Woo! Tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Orange color.
Woo! Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock.
Crimson color.
Woo! Fiddly-dee.
Please subscribe.
Tick tock, tick tock.
See you on next video.